Hi friends, this is Shanmukh. So Sql DBA day-to-day activities videos are available, guys. Sql DBA day-to-day activities videos are available. So what a Sql DBA will do daily, what kind of tasks he will get, how to fix the issues or whatever it is, how to complete the task, how to fix those issues. So it's very important topics, guys. Okay, you can manage the work with the help of these videos, definitely for sure. So lot of things I covered as a DBA, what kind of regular tasks you will get, what kind of regular issues you will get, how to manage the work even though you don't have experience, how to manage the work. Okay, so all these things are covered in this day-to-day activities, guys. So I created videos on 30 topics. Okay, I created videos on 30 topics. You can see here on all these topics I created videos, guys. User is unable to connect to SQL Server, how to fix it. Backups and restores related issues and all, how to fix it. Backups and restores failures, how to fix it. How to take backups and restores and how to fix backup and restore failures. Database refreshment activities, and after refreshing the database we have to, okay, take care of the permissions also, user permissions also. So how to do that? So explained in this task. If job is failed, if any jobs are failed, where to check it, how to check it, how to fix it, explained in this job failures. Maintenance plan issues also I discussed. Services failed to start, how to fix it. TempDB is full, how to fix it. Data and log files are full, how to fix it. Disk space issues, performance issues, database issues, SQL service running slow, slow running queries, how to kill transactions, blockings, application running slow, SQL server is stopped, agent is down, log shipping failover and errors. How to do a log shipping failover and errors. How to do mirroring failover and errors. How to monitor the replication, replication related errors. How to add articles in the replication also we discussed. Clustering failover and errors of the clustering and all. Okay, how to failover the cluster and how to check the errors in the clustering. How to failover the always on and how to check the errors in the always on. Okay, adding database in the AG group also. Adding database in the AG setup, guys. Okay, how to add a database in the always on availability groups. And apart from that, we have also covered refreshing always on database, how to take backups and restores. Okay, table backup restore, how to do that, how to do the deployment requests like script executions and all, what kind of precautions you have to take before executing the scripts. And discussion on ITIL processes, how to handle the tickets, how to assign the tickets, what you have to do after assigning the tickets, how to close the tickets on ticketing service no ticketing system. You will get an idea, guys. I explained with the service no ticketing tool, so you'll get an idea on this. And some KT questions. In the KT, once you got the job, they will ask you some questions, guys. They will ask you some questions like shadowing, reverse shadowing and all will be there, right? So they will ask some kind of questions in the KT also. You have to be very careful. See, interview is only 30 minutes or 1 hour, guys, but KT, okay, it's a kind of 10 days interview, guys. Okay, don't know what they will ask during KT and all, knowledge transfer. During KT they will ask some questions, wantedly they will ask some questions whether you have an idea or not. So how to prepare for KT, what kind of questions you have to ask in KT also, I created a video, guys. So script out any object, how to script out the objects and all. So now on all these 32 topics, okay, the videos are created. So the video length, like the duration of the videos will be 8 hours. It's 8 plus hours, more than 8 hours only it will be. And completely whatever topics we discussed till now, all the things are covered under this 8 hours of activities, guys. 8 hours of regular day-to-day activities. And you will also get 80 to 90 real-time scripts. Whatever scripts we are going to, generally these are not Google scripts and all. Again, Google means you have to download and you have to modify accordingly. But these are the custom scripts, okay, that are there in my organization. So that used in my organization. So very important scripts and all, already modified as per the requirements and all. So 80 to 90 scripts also I'll provide in that okay, combo pack. notes also you will get it. Okay, and this total set cost is 7,000 rupees guys, 7,000 INR. Okay, so again my suggestion is don't buy the videos from others. Why? Because sometimes videos and all won't play. Okay, sometimes videos and all won't play, or you will stuck somewhere. So if you buy videos for 500 rupees, 300 rupees, they don't help you guys. Even though you're investing 100 rupees on those videos, the continuation and all won't be there. Wantedly I don't give you the continuation. If you are buying videos with me, if anything is missing, again I'll give you the access. But if you are buying videos from others, okay, they can't give you the access and all. And in case if you are stuck at any point, okay, they can't help you out. So whatever money you are putting on them, it's completely waste only. Even though that is 100 rupees, that is waste only. So believe me, you will get a good set, and only if you watch this set, you can prepare for the interviews. You can prepare the real-time questions and all for the interviews, and you can manage the work also, guys. This is very helpful. You can manage the work by your own, and you can prepare for the interviews using these videos, guys. It's a kind of a crash course. SQL DBA crash course. It's a kind of SQL DBA crash course. So if you are interested, you can ping me to this WhatsApp number 9902 590 140 with country code +91. Okay, with country code +91. And if I am not reachable, you can call to this number, or you can send a WhatsApp message to this number. If still I am not reachable, you can send an email to realtimeittrainings@gmail.com, guys. Okay, thank you so much. And sorry, I just want to add one more thing. So here you will get server images. Okay, server images, you will get it. What is meant by server images, I'll show you. Let me open this Oracle virtual box. See, if you want to practice clustering always on, by watching the videos you will get an idea, right? By watching the videos you will get an idea how the things and all will work. But if you want a hands-on experience, you should have servers, right? So I have servers with me. This is like Active Directory, primary server, secondary server. These three servers images I'll give it to you. Around 50 GB will be there. Around 50 GB will be there. These three servers images I'll give it to you. What you can do, directly you can attach the images. Directly you can attach the images, and you can start practicing always on. No need to configure always on. No need to configure cluster and all. Straightforward, you can just practice always, and you can failure always, and you can fail back always, and you can failure clustering, you can fail back clustering, you can see the replication setup, you can see the always on setup, you can see the mirroring setup, you can see a log shipping setup. What else? Everything you can see. No need to configure from your side. If you are configuring from your side, means every topic will take minimum 4 to 5 days. But believe me, if you take these videos, images and all, if you take these videos, in that videos I'll give you the images also. You can straight away, you can attach this image immediately. In the next minute onwards, you can start practicing always on clustering without installing operating system, without installing SQL server, without configuring anything. You can practice always on clustering, replication, mirroring, log shipping, everything you can practice, guys. Okay, so this is how it will work. So if you are interested, you can ping me to this number 9902 140 5 sorry 590 140, or else you can send an email to realtimeittrainings@gmail.com. Thank you so much, guys.